Celebrity celebrates children's creativity.
We're just a couple of kids, accelerating our way through life. I'm Ishika.
And I'm her brother, Vedant. And we believe that kids have the potential to do anything. So, sometimes in life, you might be feeling lost. And there's different forms of feeling lost. For example, say you're in the middle of the ocean and it's parents' night. Your parents end up in the captain's quarters. Say your dad is the one steering the ship. It might go something like this. Oh, and by the way, if you thought I was standing up, I wasn't. Gotcha.
See? I got control of the ship. I'm steering it.
You gotta go right though.
It's left.
I am the one with the map. You gotta go right.
I don't need a map. I navigate by the stars. Stars. Stars.
How do you navigate by your stars in the daytime? Look out! Look out! Looks like we just hit a rock or an iceberg.
Sometimes in life, you may also feel lost when it comes to education. For example, in the classroom, there might be a concept that you just don't understand. This is natural. It happens to everyone. You feel like you just can't make the shot. Sometimes we can also get lost in real life. Like, for example, on the hiking trip.
Remember that one time I got lost?
Oh yeah, wasn't it in the jungle? We are in the woods. Wait, Vedant? Vedant. Sometimes he's a little short. It's hard to say, Vedant, where are you? Uh-oh.
Alright guys, I'm in the forest and I'm kind of sort of lost. Uh-oh. Oh no, where am I? Where am I? I was just enjoying a nice massage aboard Celebrity Cruises. Whenever you're in a problem in those situations like we described in being lost, there's always a solution. Say your parents do end up steering your ship. Just let the phenomenal Celebrity Cruise captains all over the world do their thing. And keep your parents on dry land doing what they do best. Now, you can just sit back and relax.
We gotta go right here.
It's left.
Listen, this is not even the right place.
Don't worry. We'll find it eventually. I hope.
Here's the solution for being lost in education. The most important thing to remember is believe in yourself. Never give up and don't get frustrated. You have resources like parents and teachers always there to help. There are also free online resources like Khan Academy and edX. Take your time and stay focused. One important thing to remember is you only miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
So now we come to one of the most important solutions. What happens when you're truly lost? Say you're in a jungle. This is where Explorer Academy aboard Celebrity Cruises can help you the most. They can help you with real-life skills. Ever since we're little kids in a crib, we depend on our parents for every little thing. But as we grow up, we try to be more independent. And sometimes it feels nice to just know how to do certain things. Explorer Academy teaches you how to do certain skills. One of the most important things is how to track your way through the jungle. You should set markers and keep on those markers to make sure you don't get lost. The next thing that On Tourist Academy can help you learn is how to stay visible. Make sure someone can always see you. One clever thing to do is if there's a big landmark, for example, a river, if you know that it's in the east direction, then you know that you can go east and you'll find the river. Another important thing to always have with you when you're in the jungle is a compass, so that you don't keep spinning in circles. Instead, you can help keep yourself steady and on track. In conclusion, you've learned a lot about different situations in being lost. When you come to Explorer Academy, you'll learn a lot of things from the sky to the earth to the ocean. You'll learn about how to tell time by the sundials, about the Panama Canal. You'll learn about the tectonic plates. One more thing is, if you ever feel lost in real life, this is a very serious topic. You always have resources, like parents and teachers. You have many resources. We believe in you, and Celebrity believes in you. And always remember, never give up.
This is Ishika and Vedant, wishing you good luck on all your journeys with Celebrity Cruises. Keep learning.